This is a 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, alloy wheels, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a driver airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, a power driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 71,000 miles. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Let the experienced sales staff at Moore Auto Group share their knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Browse their inventory at mooreauto.com and visit them in person for a test drive at 8600 West Bell Road in Peoria. Call 623-972-2300 today.